excited. It will be dry. Oh. You guys ready for the adventure?
All right, we're having koshery today, and we're going to be shown how to dress it. All right.
2, 1. Action. Welcome from Abu Tariq. Next your time. Just tomato sauce and rice. Next. Salt and pepper and cumin. Garlic sauce, vinegar, Egyptian whiskey. Spicy, little. Little or medium. Good guys. And lemon fresh. And mix. Wow. And fried onion.
Onion, okay.
And
Garbanzo beans.
yum, 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 yum.
All right, so this is lunch today, koshery. All right, Hoda, tell us what koshery is.
Koshery is an authentic Egyptian dish, and it consists of rice, pasta, brown lentil, dried onion, fresh tomato paste, chickpeas.
All right.
And you can add hot chili and a little bit of vinegar sauce if you like to give it a flavor.
All right, and you said that this is one of the top 100 restaurants to eat at in the world, right?
It's called Abu Tariq.
Abu Tariq.
4 or 5-story restaurant that serves nothing but this particular dish, which is called koshery.
So you can have koshery or you can have koshery.
Exactly.
Alrighty.
That's the vinegar.
Oh my goodness. Oh, pasta, fried onions, lentils. Ah! Nice. All right, there's my lunch. So, okay, you said this one first? Or, okay, one or the other. This goes in here. Whoop! Oh, okay, it'll be hot. And the vinegar. Okay, a little bit of vinegar. All right, a little bit of vinegar. And then we just dump it. Oh, and this, little bit of lemon. Okay, here we go. Okay. Fried onion. Whoop. Am I doing it right, Hoda? And then that. Okay. I think that's ready to eat. All right. Let's have a bite. So tell me, Hoda, like, do you make this at home?
Yes, and it's my signature dish at home.
Is it really?
I love koshery, and I can claim that I even do it better than restaurants.
Really?
I love koshery, and yeah, it's a mix of pasta, rice, brown lentils, fried onion, and tomato paste, and it's very filling.
It's very filling.
Yeah, and when you do it at home, it even tastes different.
Oh.
Different, yeah.
All right, so you can do this at home. It's this pasta, it's tomato sauce, it's lentils. It's just a whole heap of
Chickpeas
yummy
as well.
things. Chickpeas as well, yeah.
Chickpeas as well.
Hoda's always good at picking out the best foods. So. That is comfort food. I mean, I'm not even offended because it's pasta and it's a little bit mushy, but it's perfectly cooked for being comfort food. Love it.